Remain calm. Don't get excited. Don't get flustered. Awesome. Yeah, I can help you with that. Does it make sense for me to put together the listing agreement? Yeah, Russell, it does. Perfect. Congratulations. You made a great decision. We'll get this listing agreement in place, and then I'll have both the paperwork for the listing agreement and that offer, what we're going to do on the new place for you, by 4:45 today. Fair enough? Yeah, Russell, thank you so much. High fives. Now, I'm giving you permission, Russell, to get in your car and go, yeah! But don't do that in front of the client, right? Stay calm, stay cool, stay collected, trust your process. A lot of times, what we have to realize is we have to drop the dang enthusiasm. When we get really excited, that's not good. We can get really excited in the privacy of our own home. We can get really excited with our spouse and our loved ones, right? Hopefully, I'll get you guys to a point where you're just a closer and you don't get really excited either way, right? But emotions are not a good thing in sales, despite what a lot of sales trainers say. Oh, you gotta be excited. How are you doing today? That's gross, okay? There's a different coach for that, all right? And probably a different industry for you guys to be in. We are business professionals. We are sales consultants, right? Yeah, awesome, I can help you with that. Does it make sense for us to put in the offer, right? What date do you need to sell the house by? What makes that date important? Right? What's the most important thing that we need to accomplish when we're listing this house? Right? Boom, boom, boom. Stay cool, stay calm, collected.